Here is how you can create infographic bars in After Effects. So first create new comp in After Effects and select pen tool by pressing Z. Now draw a straight line and make sure its fill is off and its stroke is 120. Now duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D or Command plus D. Now change the color of the top line to red. Now create a new layer of null object. Now select the null object layer and go to Effect, then Expression and then Slider. Now select the top layer of the line and add Trim Path Animation. Now go to Trim Path. Here we have to link Trim Path with Slider. For that, click on the Start along with pressing and holding Option or Alt key. Make sure In is set to be 0. Now add keyframe on Slider. Add first keyframe at the 0 value and then add second keyframe at the value you want. I want it to be 75. Now select the both keyframe and ease in them by pressing F9. You can also animate number by alt clicking the text layer source and parenting it to slider control. Make sure to add math full stop round followed by original expression. Also be sure to add plus quotation and percentage at the end of the expression. I had mistakenly typed math in small letter, so make sure the first letter of math is to be capital. Duplicate it to build a grid bar infographic animation.